ages, and then
He always goes to the left
They all
one.
have
All the times I've seen
Ah!
it. He's just popped up on the screen, Adam!
I can't do anything, look!
Why can't you do it?
Because he's already got in.
He's got in.
Ah! Shit!
Whoa! Is that a scary game? I didn't sign up for this shit. I didn't click on this for a fucking scary game. Scary games are too much for me, okay? If you put on a scary game, I'm gonna poop my pants. I'm gonna piss my pants a little bit. Alright? Don't put scary games on. We don't wanna watch scary games. I'm interpreting like you guys is talking. This is me talking in the audience's voice. Not this isn't actually just me, this is. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. This is not gonna be a scary video game video. I'll move on to something better, okay? I'll change it. So do something more like, you know, kid friendly. Yeah, kid friendly.
The scene.
We can share. Yay! Wow, thank you.
Oh dear.
Ah!
The scene.
Be sure to listen to everything this man tells you. He's the master of the house.
What a fucking tease.
From the waist down, but she's got charm, a great rack, and beautiful feet.
Great Oh dear.
Okay, this one has an ass.
No! Why are you naked? Because you can't take a bath with your clothes on, duh.
Why is his hand in the way? Whoa. Okay, what was that? Get rid of that. Take it down right now. Get it off the screen. Alright, I apologize for that. I clearly must have got the wrong file or something. Fuck me, this video is a complete mess. We need something new, unique, no one has ever done before that we can like put together that's kid friendly, not scary, enjoyable to everyone. Let me think. What about a tier list? Alright, so best anime protagonist. It's intense. Oh, where am I gonna fit her though?
Riz a fat cock.
Okay, so if we do
Content away
this.
scale. Oh.
Okay, now we can fit her in.
Do it to mom.
Make it big. Oh, we have to start with the quality is just shit because I made it so small.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the fucking name again. Great
Rin
stuff. Rin
Tosuka.
Tosaka.
Rin
Tosaka.
Tosuka.
So we got Ren Tosaka. So I haven't watched Fate. So you're gonna have to describe what this character's like to me.
Just like I hate women.
I hate fucking
Cook
men.
and make food for me.
Alright, she sounds like pretty shit, so I'm gonna put her in E tier. We don't need to see her face anymore. Alright. Oh, this bitch, other woman. Ryoko
She's a fucking
Matoi.
S tier bitch. She gets a tier cell.
She's an S tier bitch? Oh,
an
okay.
S-tier
She's an
bitch.
S tier bitch.
Can you stop recording me now, please? Thank you. Sorry.
Who's fucking next?
Goku.
Oh, you want to do Goku? Okay, Goku.
Goku's a simp.
Right,
Goku
so we got
is a
Goku.
fucking sim. Put him in the D. Goku.
Minus points because like the film interpretation, like the shitty film that came out. It's just.
Oh, you mean Evolution? Oh, there he is.
S tier.
S tier. Fucking,
No, it's
fucking yes. Alright, who's next? Who should we do next?
What's the cheese string guy there?
Who?
Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Who are we talking about?
Naruto.
Oh, okay.
Fucking cheese string looking at.
Sorry to interrupt again. Here's a quick summary of what Naruto is for all you fucking normies.
Now let me tell
You're
you. But right, so there's Naruto Uzumaki, right, and Sasuke Uchiha, and then a character that really doesn't matter called Sakura
Okay.
on the side, and she's always like, oh, I'm a woman, and I can be strong too. And then she's always left behind by Naruto and Sasuke. Yeah, Sasuke is his friend, right? And then at school, right, they're like get brung up together and whatever, and then Sasuke turns evil, and then he turns unevil, and they become friends again because Naruto's like, no, I can't hurt him. I've got to help him with my words. And then he helps him with his words.
Thank you. Retarded.
All they know
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. He's
S
too
tier for
powerful.
SpongeBob.
No one else is
Fuck
allowed in
off.
S tier now. SpongeBob is taking it. Let's do this guy. This. Who even knows his name? He's so unpopular. What did he even do? He cried. He cries all the time. Cry baby.
He's got
Cry
he's got
baby.
nothing. Green head, man. Or boy,
Yeah,
or
his
whatever.
name literally means green. Fucking retard.
It's actually.
Bro,
Yeah.
sorry.
Midori means green.
What actual tier should we put him in? He's not that bad of a character, honestly.
B tier, B tier. We haven't explained why we're green hair, B tier.
No, what you need to do if you can't make him content where it's good, just liquefy. Liquefy underneath
There you
it.
go. Okay.
It opens up an external
Fuck it.
program. Can't see. We're gonna get a
Too-
surprise.
It's too glitchy. I can't do anything.
Just swirl around in his face for a
Crash report. I think I just crashed.
No.
No. Now we do Baku. Have you seen Baku? Fucking hell, I didn't do that.
This is going very wrong.
Baku's super strong, but he's also a simp, so he goes D tier. Ash Ketchum. Ash Ketchum is a bitch.
Ash is a fucking simp, bro.
He's such a fucking pussy, dude, honestly.
Oh my, but he do be fucking.
He
doing
do
the
be
bestiality.
vibing though.
He do be committing bestiality, though.
He do be committing bestiality though.
Did kind of fuck that Charizard that one time. Oh, that's the
Too late.
Wyatt man. He's a
Yagami.
bitch.
Like Yagami. Yeah, Yagami backwards is I am gay, so I'm a gay. Okay, yeah, he's a gay.
I have to. We fucking
what's
hate
this?
gays.
I fucking can't even. I despise gays. What about One Punch Man? I bet he's got a massive penis.
Like how every other isn't a fucking PNG and then you just go One Punch Man.
He's too powerful for a background. You can go over there. Anyway, who's next? Yugi. Let's do Yugi. I wanna rape Yugi. His eyes are just massive. He's a C tier. Psyche.
Pink hair. Gay as fuck. E tier.
It doesn't even matter anymore. We just pick a letter and we just agree. These two are pretty cool. I'm gonna give them A tier. What about you? What do you think?
Doesn't
think they play off-
fuck her though?
No. They. I don't really know actually.
Jotaro.
Jotaro. It's a perfect man though. Fuck. Bella's a fucking simp.
Bella's a fucking simp.
I'm gonna delete the rest of his head and just have his eyes.
No, stop it.
This guy's fucking edgy though.
Draw.
Look
Yeah,
how edgy he is. He's got so many fucking edges all over. Oh.
That's it.
Yeah, he fits in there. Mob Psycho. This guy. And he's got like leek for hair.
What are you doing? That's not how it works.
Nah, I'm gonna give him B. He's a good character. Alright, let's get Rin. Rin is kinda cringe.
His
And-
dad kind of dies though, so.
Yeah, he's got daddy issues. We're gonna have to put him with the other slot. Real bad daddy issues. His dad is literally Satan. Demon boy. Wait, control. Yeah, there you go.
Lewis is lost.
You want to see your favorite character ruined, don't you?
No.
really far gone. Look, there we go. What tier do you think Code Geass is, guys?
Yeah, he's like an orphan or some shit, and
Oh, daddy issues. He's gonna have to go with the daddy issue.
he's very much in the daddy issue crowd.
Meliodas. Yeah, yeah.
Meliodas?
Nickelodeon.
Right.
Fucking strong man.
Who's next? Kirito. Kirito, SAO.
Kirito.
Kiritos. Okay. High School DxD boy. Don't know his name. I think he's in C. You do get the titties in the end. This little green head fuck. And then we
Oh, coming together.
He also has like no parents.
Oh yeah, he got daddy issues as well. Most people's dads are dead actually. What? In anime, I mean.
I put
She
her
pretty
in.
epic.
I put her in B with Leakman and Grassman.
Is there anything I can do to her face that'd be funny? If not, I'll just content aware scale. No, this is funnier.
Persona man. Gintama man, he's got blue hair. He's pretty fucking swagless. Put him in ass. Small hands.
No, remove the cable. It's got AirPods in.
Yeah.
All the difference.
We put so much fucking effort. You don't.
He goes there.
Alright, this is the final. Like, we're gonna say goodbye on this one. What are we gonna do with this guy?
Can we put, like,
Content aware scale. Oh yeah.
Across A and B and C.
I'm proud. What the fuck did we just do?